Are you thinking about ordering stylish men's fashion from Cross and Crown? Before you hit that checkout button, you might want to hear what we found. Cross Crown Store claims to offer premium quality jackets, sweaters, trousers, bags, and more, all designed to give your wardrobe a classy, modern upgrade. At first glance, the website looks professional. The product range is impressive, and they even have a physical address and customer support email listed, which adds a layer of trust. Plus, the site isn't brand new. It was registered in August 2024, and they've gained over 2K Instagram followers and more than 1K on Facebook. So far, it seems like a legitimate and growing fashion brand. But when we looked deeper, the story changed. On Trustpilot, Cross and Crown holds an alarming 1.7-star rating, and many customers have shared frustrating experiences, from receiving low-quality clothing that looked nothing like the pictures, to painfully slow shipping that often took weeks because most items are sent from China, even though the site appears to be local. Several users also complained about misleading product descriptions and poor refund support, making it almost impossible to get your money back. Some even went as far as calling the store a scam. So is Cross and Crown legit or not? It's a mixed bag. While the brand shows some real signs of legitimacy and a growing social presence, the negative reviews and repeated complaints about quality and service can't be ignored. If you're planning to shop there, proceed with caution. Maybe start with a small order first. In short, Cross and Crown might not be a total scam, but it definitely isn't the smooth, premium shopping experience it claims to be.